How to find out what you really think and why. There are many ways to find out what you really think and why. The first is through self-reflection, where you take a moment to think about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. The second is through introspection, which is when you reflect on your thoughts and feelings in order to better understand them. The third way is through perception, which is when you observe how other people view the world around them. Self-reflection. The first way to find out what you think and why is by self-reflecting on your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This means taking a moment to think about what you're thinking about or feeling at the moment. It also means reflecting on past experiences in order to better understand how they've shaped who you are as a person today. Self-reflection can be done alone or with the help of a therapist or counselor who will guide the process for you so that it's more productive than just doing it alone. Why is it important to identify what you really think? We can't always rely on our intuition to help us make decisions. Sometimes we need to take a step back and think about what is really going on in our lives in order to understand the way we feel. In order to make an informed decision, it is important to identify what you really think about a situation. This will allow you to be aware of how your feelings may be influencing your decision-making process. The importance of introspection in identifying your thoughts. Introspection is the act of looking inward, examining one's own thoughts and feelings. It is a process of self-discovery in which one strives to understand oneself better. It is an essential part of any personal development journey. This video will explore the benefits of introspection and the importance of it in identifying thoughts. The first thing to do when introspecting is to try and identify your thoughts. Awareness. Awareness is a prerequisite for introspection. Without it, you cannot be sure if you are actually thinking or not thinking. Awareness provides us with information about our environment, ourselves, and our relationship with them both. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice that encourages us to live in the present moment by paying attention to what we are thinking or doing at any given time without judgment or criticism. Observation. Observation helps us gain insights into our behavior patterns by observing how we react in different situations and understanding how those reactions affect the process of self-awareness and the importance of interpreting your own thoughts. The process of self-awareness is a lifelong journey. It is the process of interpreting your own thoughts and feelings. The goal of this process is to gain an understanding of oneself and one's place in the world. In order to be self-aware, one must first understand how they think and feel about themselves and the world around them. This can be done through journaling or therapy sessions that allow you to express yourself without fear of judgment. After this, it becomes easier to understand what makes you happy, what your strengths are, and where you want to go with your life. Start your journey by listening to your thoughts. In this section, we will explore the power of listening to our thoughts. We will look at how we can start our journey by listening to our thoughts. When it comes to self-development or self-help, many people are looking for ways that are quick and easy. Unfortunately, this is not the case with listening to your thoughts. This is because there is no quick and easy way that you can listen to your thoughts. But if you do it consistently, you will be able to find a lot of benefits for yourself.